Hello everyone, my name is Guang, and you can call me Tom because my name is translated is like the Tom. So Tom easy to say, and you can Tom. And this lesson I will learning about the exciting Requirejs to study. So in the last lesson we will learning the Requirejs history. The history is to know a little about the Requirejs. Sometimes you know it's the old name is Requirejs, and sometimes James Barger is the founded it working before in the Just Career Company. And this lesson is exciting lesson because it's so important and the basis about the Requirejs is how to use it. So let's have a look. The step is how to follow step is about this lesson. The first thing is we to download is step 1, or we can try use the CD. And 2 we use it to ready some files. The 3 step is use the Requirejs, and the 4 is use the messages. So in this lesson, you need to learn and to find the Requirejs file loading process. Remember it, you only to know it. You follow me and to find the Requirejs is follow process is for how loading process is how to loading the JS files. You can fill the many JS you can to the Requirejs help way to loading it. So try to find and see it. And which learning about the date dash something, some name is attribute of HTML file. It dash date dash some name is attribute. Attribute is in of the HTML file the new attribute. Only this you know it is called. So the Requirejs about here we open here and click and check here get started. We can to learn it about how to get started, and this thing we can to follow it and to write for this lesson. But it's so slowly. I need to open again, open another one. It's so slow. Before I needed to read it, maybe I needed a long time. And when it loading, we need to make a web page in your compute location. And for example, I use www.requirejs.com because the com is don't use it. The Requirejs is website is www.requirejs.org. So we use it, and we can to, for example, I to make a new files. Close the old file. Okay. And slowly. Okay, it's studied, and the step is get Requirejs, and the first thing you to go to download the page to get the files. We can to get one. You can to get one and to use it. I downloaded it. No, downloaded it. No. So the two step is we to make some file like this, and we try to use it. Use the Requirejs to follow it. For example, I make the index HTML file. HTML. I am Tom. That's how it look. So I am Tom. We to open it, and the first thing we to make a project HTML file. This is import. You don't have nothing. It's okay. And the next one is for float scripts. We try to study it. Make a new float script, and to make one main.js. Main.js is like here, script float, if script float, and main.js. It's empty. No, don't have nothing. It's good. It's okay. And help float. It's the help float. It's in the script float. Like here, new float. What? Okay. And in here have until JS. In here. So it's okay. Now it's okay. The VS Code, the editor, is good thing to show the logo, the different file, different logo. It's good. It's beauty. So when to download it, for example, we to check the download, and here like this web page, and you can check here and to save one. Don't use your mouse or the right body. Don't left, use your right body, and to save in the script float require.js, like this one, script float require.js. It's okay. So we copy it here to the project HTML file. Now we have the Requirejs. We can try open it, and we find it is the version is 2.3.6, so it's okay. And we check the project HTML and paste it, and to open it. Now we to open it and project my sample project. So it's okay now. Let's to check the F12 button and to open the developer tools. I will find the element and we check the header. We can to know a little things. We find the main.js is connected the Requirejs, and also find the script main.js to loading two files. Let's have a look at the coder. For the coder, the data main attribute tell Requirejs.js to load script main.js after Requirejs loads. This sentence is so good. Tell me, but we only to write down one. For example, here, if we delete the main, the attribute, so let's have a look. Only have one. So if we edit it, the Requirejs and the main.js is 2, and we can to try check the Ctrl plus U. Also, you can look at the coder is only 1, but here it's 2. This is the thing about the Requirejs. It helped me to loading some other JS, and this here the data dash main. It's only a HTML5 new attribute. The attribute sometimes you can use, for example, my name is Tom. I can use Tom. Yes. But Tom in HTML is like it wants you like this style because it's everybody use this like you, for example, like this. So here the Requirejs use data to main and Requirejs to load this and to read read this value and to load it. So you need to know that data main attribute. It's from HTML5. Okay. And the next one is here inside the main.js. Look here. Inside the main.js, you can use Requirejs to load any other script you need to run. This sentence is very important, and to know this, inside it to the main.js, it have a method is Requirejs. Requirejs is helping me to load any other scripts. Let's have a look and have a try. Main.js and Requirejs and help here. We first thing to try look at now it has 3. 1, 2, 3. The 3 is loading about the script helper until.js. So we can to find its helper until.js is for here. This function is called when script help until.js is loaded. If until.js is called defined, then this function is not defined until is I don't know this word. So in this lesson, you to know a basic things about the process. In the other lesson, I want to teach you and show you the very wide usage and every month. For example, the Requirejs month, how to use it. You to know link and find the Requirejs file loading files, correct? Requirejs file loading JS file process is okay. For example, you need to find like this one. You need to do find the 8 in 3. It's okay. If you want to test a lot, for example, Tom, we add one JS. Let's have a look. Refresh. Tom is also to loading. This is the basis of how to use the Requirejs. But when you check here the console, you find the Tom JS it don't have. It don't write to build the Tom JS. Okay, this is the Requirejs math, and then with in another lesson we next time we to study about the more things. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Happy coder.